As you saw in the book chapter, you can simply multiply two independent probabilities with each other. The probability of flipping a heads on our first flip times the probability of flipping a heads on our second flip. However, what about multiplying things that are not independent? So, what is the probability of being a woman and on the crew in the Titanic? So here we're going to get a few different probabilities, and I'm going to walk you through them. Our first row is the probability of being in each class. So there's a 15% chance that you were in first class, 13% chance in second class, 32% chance in third class, and a 40% chance that you were in the crew. Note that this sums up to 1. In our second row here, I'm giving the probability of being female given that you are in each of these classes. So this says that 45% of people that are in first class were women, or female, because this includes girls as well. Of people that were in second class, 37% are female. Of people that are in third class, 28%. And of the crew, only 2.6%. Note that this does not sum up to 1 because these are not probabilities of the same thing. This is an important distinction to keep in mind. If we had just been given the probability of being female, we wouldn't be able to do this calculation because female is not independent of class. So in our mathematical notation, we said that the probability of being A and B is the probability of B times the probability of A given B. So here our probability of being a female and on the crew is the probability of being on the crew times the probability of being female given that you're in the crew. So first we want to know how likely we are to be in the crew, and then once we know we're in the crew, we want to know how likely it is that we are female. So if we plug in numbers here, we use our 0.402 times 0.026 to give 0.01045, or about 1% of people on the Titanic were female crew members. We can check this against the actual results that tell us that only 23 people on the Titanic were female crew members out of the total 2,201, which reduces to the same about 1% value that we calculated.